One Touch of Nature is a 1909 American silent short drama film directed by D. W. Griffith. It is not known whether the film currently survives, which suggests that it is a lost film. Cast: Arthur V. Johnson as John Murray, Florence Lawrence as Mrs. John Murray, Marion Leonard as Sicilian woman, Charles Inslee as Sicilian woman's accomplice, Harry Salter as doctor, Linda Arvidsson as nurse, Kate Bruce, Adele Degard, Gladys Egan, George Gebhard as man at stage door, Jeannie McPherson, Gertrude Robinson, Mac Sennett, Dorothy West.